Zero or low impact is transferring pipe in the most efficient, smoothest, and quietest manner, and also with the lowest possible energy, with very low noise, under very good control, and avoiding impacts that are both loud and also could potentially damage the pipe.
If this pen is a pipe and you've got a gravity skid that's going to allow this pipe to roll, and that's how it moves from process to process. You're just letting that pipe go, and it's going to roll down. Well, you've got a 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 pound pipe. As it's rolling, it's going to have to hit something to stop. So you can imagine the amount of impact that it's going to take and the structure it's going to take to stop that pipe. The equipment, it either has to be built much bigger, heavier, and designed to take constant impact every 30 seconds or a minute, depending on the cycle time as the pipe bangs into each other, or it will slowly beat itself up. That's going to eventually wear out parts that prior to their life cycle.
The safety of operators is, of course, a key concern. And when you don't have to interfere with the system because the movement is absolutely controlled, that means operators don't have to get into the way.
Plants I visited, one of their biggest issues in safety was they were having a lot of finger injuries because they're having to get their fingers in between the pipe, and as you're rolling the pipe or it's moving on a gravity rail, you get your fingers in between two pieces of, 2,000 pound pieces of pipe, you're going to have a problem. So you've got a chain, it's got a dog behind it, and it's just pushing this pipe on a flat rail, and then you just stop at a process station. When it's time to go, you start the chain back up and it just rolls along. There's no impact, there's no stress that has to be taken. The only stress you take is the weight of the pipe on the equipment. Well, it's a lot less stress than having to take impact of loading of that pipe rolling down and hitting something.
Typical systems are hydraulically powered, which means hydraulic pumps run continuously. In zero impact, we put an emphasis on using electric motors. And the only time that the energy is required is when the mechanism or the machine is actually performing work. So it's on demand, the use is on demand.
The big thing that AEC brings you that other companies aren't is going to be the collaborative effort that we have throughout the design and the manufacturing process to make sure that you get a solution that fits your needs, and that documentation and the system that we provide to you is going to be something that's very easy to maintain and will help you fulfill your production needs for years to come.